What's up guys, we're back with a nice simple dish again. So what we're going to do is a nice creamy chickpea curry. So let's get straight into it. For this you're going to need So let's get straight into chopping the vegetables. So you've only got to roughly chop this because this will be going into a blender. There you go, set that aside. Ginger, that's been washed, so I'm just going to chop that up and chuck it in the blender. Chilli. I'm going to keep the seeds in because I want the extra spice. And then 5 cloves of garlic. So now that's all chopped, we're just going to get that into the blender. Cashews. And then I'm just going to add the 200 millilitres of water. Make sure that's secure. So that looks great to me, that's all nice and smooth, so we want to get this out and we put it into a pan and brown everything off. So now that's all done, let's get straight into cooking it. So I'm going to start off with about a tablespoon of oil. So we're going to add in the cashew mix. And you want to cook this for around 5 minutes, then we're going to add in our spice mix. You want to make sure this is all fully combined. So what it's going to do, this is going to release all the aromatics and make it nice and fragrant. So all your neighbours are going to smell the food and everyone's going to want to come round. So it's going to add a little bit more water and this is just going to help deglaze the pan because nobody wants to wash that up later. Now that the spices have been cooking out for about 4 to 5 minutes, that should be plenty of time. So we're just going to add in our chickpeas. And we're just going to mix them chickpeas through, just make sure they're fully coated in all the curry. So I've used tin chickpeas, so these are already pre-cooked, but you can use dried, just make sure you soak them overnight and make sure you fully rinse them before you boil them. So now that the chickpeas have cooked out for a bit, I'm going to add most of this. This is a vegan coconut cream. I'm just going to keep a little bit back for later. So I'm just going to leave this for about 3 to 4 minutes and just want to soften the chickpeas. I don't want them to be too soft because I like a bit of texture, but if you like soft chickpeas, you can just cook it for longer. So now that's on a steady simmer and it's pretty much done. We're just going to finish off with the spinach. This is going to pack it out. At the same time, it's going to add loads of nutrients and colour. So the spinach always goes in last because it only needs to wilt down and this will happen within minutes. So I'm just going to add in some more spinach because why not? It'll wilt down to absolutely nothing. So now that's done, I'm just going to give it a little bit of a taste test. This is going to see if you need any salt, pepper or a little bit of brown sugar. Yeah. So we're going to have a little bit of cracked pepper. Pinch of salt. Maybe 2 pinches of salt. And a tablespoon of brown sugar. And give this a complete mix together. So this dish is versatile, so you can have it with rice, you can have it with chapatis, you can have it with anything you want. So this is vegan, gluten-free, vegetarian can have it, and it's also, if you want to give your digestive system a little bit of a break from the meat, absolutely perfect. And we're done. So now that's all done, we're just going to plate it up. So I'm going to have this with chapati, but like I said earlier, it's versatile. You can have it with rice or anything of your choice. Just going to add a little bit of coriander. This is just for the garnish. You can either chop it, but I've just left it whole. And a little drizzle of the vegan cream. And then I've just got a quarter of a wedge of lime. And then we've got some hot chutney, but this is optional as well. And enjoy.